Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made 160% in 10 minutes with the crypto trade. Alright, let's start. And here is my first trade. It was on the Atom and USDT. As we see on the Bitcoin chart that I marked, that the price came to a good support level. So I'm expecting a small pullback from that level. But why I choose the Atom to open this trade? Because the other cryptocurrencies, the other altcoins, they already recovered from this drop, and like most of the coins have the same graph now. So these coins are already break this resistance level, their own resistance level. So while the Atom was like one of the weakest one maybe, so it was on the back. So I was expecting the small breakout, the same breakout from these cryptocurrencies. So as we see, the Bitcoin already gave a good pullback, and now I'm waiting to confirm this breakout on the chart. So after this confirmation, I'm expecting a really good bounce from the price. And overall, all the crypto market now is bleeding and like feeling very weak now. So I want you guys warn from the trading on cryptocurrencies, especially in the futures with using a high leverage. Because as I said on my previous videos, like that the price of Bitcoin may drop to a 44,000, but like I was a bit optimistic on it because the price dropped now today actually to a 42,000 as well. So I want you all be careful. Why this drop happening? Because as you know, the Federal Reserve said that on this year they're planning to change the interest rate like 3 times, and actually it's a lot. And they're planning to decrease the stimulus checks and the buybacks, like stock buybacks. So this is how the market reacted to this news. The Bitcoin dropped for 8% around, and today actually dropped more. So now let's focus on the trade. And as we see, there is a confirmation of the breakout, and even if the Bitcoin price is dropping now, but the Atom is going high because this is a breakout, because there is a lot of people who was opening short and they put their stop losses behind this resistance level. So with these short losses, we're getting right on the price, and the price close and it brings us around, I mean the trade close and it brings us 33%. So let's move on. And the next trade was a super fast trade. I see that the price dropped to a support level, the second support level that I was expecting. So I'm just taking pullback from this price. Nothing much with the technical analysis on the order book. I'm just taking a pullback from the good price dropping. Yes, I'm putting my stop, yes, and it brings us around 17.5%. It's not a much, but the trade was short as you saw. And here is the next one. The condition of this trade is not so perfect trade because it's not my best trade, honestly. I missed the opportunity to take a pullback from the support level because I went to make a tea for myself, but anyway. So but I'm still seeing that there is opportunity that the price can go a bit higher, because as we see on the Bitcoin chart, there is a pattern. Is not a perfect pattern, but this pattern says us we have a bullish signal. So I'm thinking that we still can go a bit higher. And also I'm planning to make my stream video tomorrow, so most probably I will save it, so you will have a chance to see how I'm trading on the live. Just follow me, and I mean, not to follow me, you can just go and watch like my live streaming session, and you will see how much profit I can make on the live trade. I'm thinking about to start it with the 50 bucks maybe, and we can see like how much I can make it in 1-2 hours. don't think that we can. I don't think that we can go it like to 1,000 because the market is not straight understandable, because still there is uncertainty. Maybe there is a lot of bears in the market, or there is a lot of bulls. So, but we'll just see how much I can make. Yeah, and now it's actually it's a good place to put a stop loss. Yes, and this trade brings us around 22%. So let's go to the next one. The next one was the fast as well. I'm seeing there is a strong support level on this chart, and I'm taking a pullback from this level because the price just dropped to this level. So taking a pullback is not a bad idea here. So, and we're just seeing like how the how, how the C scalp is lagging. Is not lagging because is my step of the price movement is not a perfect on this chart, so I didn't set up this chart for my trade, so that's why you're seeing there is a big movement on it, but in real, like in real with the percentages, not so much. So as you see, I'm just increasing my stop losses because the price just, you know, increasing, and like for sure there should be a small like pullback. Yes, and this takes my stop loss, so it brings us around 11.5%. And the next one was an interesting one because here I'm trading from a trend line. Yes, the price came a support level of a trend line, and I'm taking a bounce from this because the price already like already touched this trend line few times, and the last one we might have a bit weaker pullback, let's say like this. So I'm not planning to keep this trade for much long time because as I said, the pullback might be a bit weaker. Here I'm like setting up the chart because setting up the C scalp because it was not comfortable for my eyes. Just watch it. There is a lot of numbers that doesn't have any sense, any meaning. Actually, yeah, this is a perfect place to close the trade. So just increase your stop losses because you never know when the price will return back. So, and we're already taking a 1% movement of the price, 1% movement, almost 1%, yeah, and that brings us around 39.5% with our 50 leverage. Yeah, this is like my last trade. Yes, this is the last trade, and I might say this is my worst trade, maybe with the technical analysis and with the idea why I entered here. But I'm seeing that there was a good opportunity to go short because the 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 price was just skyrocketing to a 8% from like in few minutes, yeah, in like 5 minutes. While at the same time the Bitcoin was falling. So like it's a perfect time to find a good place to reverse the price. Yeah, as I said, like the Bitcoin price was falling, and while this one was just increasing and skyrocketing. So I just decided to take a reverse to this price, and let's see how much I can take from it. Yeah, with the risk reward ratio, this rate is like awful. Is bad. But there is like still there was a chance to take this pullback, so And now I'm just putting my stop loss to close to the prices, and yeah, it takes my stop loss, and this trade brings us 34.5%. It's not very bad, and overall with the 6 trades in 10 minutes we made 160%. If you guys liked it, and if you are interested on my videos, just press a like to this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this is a very important graphic for me, the number of people who is watching me, who is interested in crypto trading or in the scalping itself. And this is it for today. Wish you all the wealth.